Yo, what's good, Mr. 300C in the building? We got my LED strips that I got off of my charger. I'm gonna use it on the 300, so I was just gonna buy some new ones, but these should be working perfectly fine. The brand is Op7, as you can tell. Op7 LED strips, multicolor changing lights. So I'm gonna go test these, see if these work in the 300. Have them all plugged in here. This is for the audio so it can sync with the music. It picks up the beats that happen in the car, but didn't really use it that much in the charger. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug this up like so, and then hit it up to the cigarette adapter lighter. So these are working, but looks like the second strip doesn't turn green. This is the color cycle one. It does all the other colors. Doesn't do green. And it looks like it doesn't do white. Yeah, green and white don't work. Huh. I wonder if I should still use it or keep them. Maybe I'll ask Opt7 if they just sell one replacement strip, and I can get that one swapped out. I'll put that one on the driver's side so I can easily swap it out. So I'm gonna keep it. It's gonna be a keeper. Alright, so basically this is the easy part. I'm just going to get the wires I had in the house and start feeding everything through and then sticking them where I want them to go, and that should be all set. So your boy doesn't have some sticky stuff to put on here, so I'm just gonna try this the ghetto way. I got some packaging tape clear, and I'm just gonna stick it on there, see if it holds good. Should though, in theory. Hey man, what you say? Hey man, let me see our results, you know. Alright, yo. Finished results. LED floor lights. Oh, snaps. Yeah, let's go. The backs look good. That thing clean. I think the interior is done, guys. Nothing else I can do, or that I want to do. Very nice, very nice. Sucks that my driver's side, the green and the white color doesn't come on, but oh well. It's not worth it for me to go buy a whole new one. I'll just keep what I got. Still looks good enough. But yeah, interior is done, guys. Let me know if you got any questions. I like the look of it. Mr. 300C is out. Peace.